Hello and welcome to this Junior's Gasoline Alley. If your interior of your pickup truck has been smelling a bit musty and needs a refresh, well, in this video, I'll show you just how to do that on a 2019 all the way up to a 2026 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado by replacing your cabin air filter with a new AC Delco cabin air filter, linked down below. And luckily, this process super simple and very easy because it's hidden just underneath the glove box. So we'll go into how to do that, get this all set up, and you'll be riding fresh again soon. Now the task of getting this done, pretty easy, just underneath your glove box. If you open it up, and I do suggest you pull out all of your stuff, you'll see on the left hand side of the glove box a damper for opening and closing the glove box. So if we get this kind of snuck in here nice and tight, you'll see that damper I'm talking about, and this piece is what we need to get unhooked. And to do so is relatively simple. I just gotta press in one side of this and get the glove box to start to move out. And with the damper pulled out, now we've got two stops on either side of the glove box, so you can kind of push in and pop it out. We'll do so on the other side as well. And when that's popped out, we can now rotate it down, and the glove box is going to fall right off because underneath it's got these four little clips. Those are a half lock that lock it onto the mounting here. Now with the glove box out of the way, we're going to see the cover for our air filter. On the left hand side, there's a little clip that you're going to push, and that's going to pull it back slightly. But you see this clip and that clip, those are actually slid into connectors. So you slide it to the left and then the whole thing pops out. And this is what you're stuck looking with. That's going to be the clip for the air filter. Now, what I want to do is I actually want to put a small slice of paper underneath the air filter to help catch anything that might come out. Because ultimately you don't want any of that going into the air box down below. So we'll go ahead and open our new air filter, which is of course fresh, nice and clean. And then we'll take the box the air filter came in, and I'll take this. I'm just going to cut this box open. That's going to give us a piece of cardboard or a piece of paper that we want to slide in underneath the cabin air filter. So I'll get that slid through and into place. And then now we can pull out the old air filter. Nicely smooth. You're going to see that disgusting cabin air filter. And just look inside, make sure nothing is hanging out. And we'll pull that piece of paper out, and that's all clean. And now we can go ahead and put the new air filter in. Keep in mind when you take a look at it, it's going to say AC Delco and then airflow with the arrow going down. That's because the air is kind of coming in and going down into your blower motor. So we'll get this, slide it right back into place, just like it should be. And then once that's in there, you can take that cover that we had before, and this, remember, is sort of a slide and then lock in. So we'll get everything slid in, locks into place, and then clicks right down. And so that's going to be how you get that cover back on. With the cover, now of course, we need to put our glove box back in. So we've got those four little rotation clips. That's going to slide into place. And over on the left-hand side, we have that damper unit that needs to slide back on. And so I'll get that kind of connected in, and it just clips right into place. There's not a whole bunch of effort or explanation on how that happens. Of course, you still have your two clips and a firm push up. Now it locks back in. There you go. You have now replaced the air filter on your 2019 to 2026 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado, and maybe other GMs as well. If this was helpful to you, be sure to hit subscribe. And if you need an air filter for your truck, go ahead and use the link down in the description. Costs you nothing extra. You get the exact part, and it helps out the channel.